Here we go, HobbyBox604 back again on Wednesday doing a toonie break. This is group break number 148, a box of 0809 Upper Deck SPX. Our box number is 497. Good luck. I forgot to tell Keith his SPX box break was 666. So, I know you care about numbers, he probably doesn't, but whoa. Let's just hope there's no redemption here.
Unless you're like a professional actor. So what that means is instead of like trying to fool people.
Okay, pack one. Lots of base packs in here, that's for sure. As I said, there we go. Start with all base, and they're stuck together almost.
The less behaviors there are for people to watch and observe and derive conclusions about your individual.
The base. 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 Okay. Can't be all base, right? This is 0809. It's not 1112. That's what 1112 was. Really? Oh, we got our first hit. It is winning combos for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Michael Pekka and Rick Nash. Keith would be laughing right now if he was here. Our second hit is for Colorado Avalanche, winning materials of Milan Hajduk. Come on, SPX, deliver a monster. Let's go, Steven Stamkos. Come on, Steven. SP excitement for the Ottawa Senators, Danny Heatley to 9.99. Well, 4 packs left. We're missing our rookie jersey auto. 3 left. Is just the SPX rookies in this one of Theo Peckham for the Edmonton Oilers. 2 packs left. 1 in 50. And another winning combo, Sam Gagner and Nicholas Backstrom. Oh, this has to be random. Edmonton Oilers and Washington Capitals. Last pack, this has to be our hit. And we are shorted a hit, guys.
Serious?
Yep. Are you serious? Come on, Upper Deck. That was a pretty bad box. That's all we hit. Well, thank God we have video proof. I will set up the random and I will contact Upper Deck and see what we can do with this. Thanks, guys. Sorry about that.